Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox the Ulanzi tripod stand and I'll give you a review how it is. So let's go and now unbox the tripod stand that I bought it recently and I really like it. So let's see if it meet my expectation or not. So first we'll unbox it. Now let's go and have a look on this one. Here on the top you'll see this leather strap. So just take it out and you can unlock it from here. So just turn it around and it will unlock. Now you can extend it and you can extend really high as well based on your necessity. This will go furthermore. The height really looks high based on your necessity. So now we'll fold this one so that we can do a review video. So here we can put the phone. So if you open this one from here, it will come like this. Then you can put the phone in my pocket. So here, so this is how you can put the phone. So once you put the phone, you can also stretch it up like this. Here is a moving one. So you can move the phone like this. If you want to do like this, then also you can do so that you can take a selfie. Now we'll do the portrait mode. So like this. You can also do the phone like this. Like this. If you want to record something on the ground, then you can put the phone like this. Then you can straight it up. So basically it's 360. Move around everywhere like this. So it's really good for the phone and to take a selfie and to take a video. And then once you don't need the phone, you can put it back. And also you can put a camera here if you have any vlog camera or DJI Osmo Pocket one, you can put over here. So here I have a DJI Osmo Pocket and the camera tripod. So let's go and put the camera over here. So finally I put the camera on the tripod stand. Now you can turn on the camera. And then finally you can record the video like this as well. So it is very helpful and useful. So overall, this tripod stand is really helpful for me because I can put the mobile and record the video as well. I can make the tutorial video. I can angle the mobile in any direction, and also I can put my Osmo Pocket in this stand. So it's a dual functionality. So it is really helpful and useful for me. And this is my new tripod stand from now onwards. And if you like this tripod stand, obviously you can try and let me know in the comment section how it goes for you. And if you like this video and if you want to know more about this tripod stand, then feel free to let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching the video.